the developments in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee has taken on the centre. Mamata Banerjee says that West Bengal is being targeted by the centre. Officers are being targeted. This after the centre summoned 3 IPS officers. The West Bengal government and the TMC say that these officers are specifically being targeted by the centre. That's point 1. Point 2, exodus from the Trinamool Congress continues. After Shubhendu Adhikari, now there are reports of 2 more people leaving and some more waiting in the wings.
On December 10th, BJP President JP Nadda's convoy came under attack in South 24 Parganas. Several cars in the motorcade were stormed, allegedly by TMC workers. While Nadda and other BJP leaders were on their way to Diamond Harbour on the outskirts of Kolkata. A day later, the Home Ministry recalled 3 IPS officers responsible for the BJP President's security. Bholanath Pandey, the SP of Diamond Harbour, was deputed by the centre as SP. Bureau of Police Research and Development. Praveen Tripathi, DIG Presidency Range, was appointed as DIG Sashastra Seema Bal. And Rajiv Mishra, ADG South Bengal, was deputed as IG ITBP. Now almost a week later, the Ministry of Home Affairs has sent a second letter to the West Bengal government and the DGP saying that they have failed to adhere to the rules and that the 3 IPS officers be relieved immediately. The move triggered a sharp response from the West Bengal Chief Minister, who accused the centre of misusing its powers. Mamata Banerjee called the Home Ministry's act a deliberate attempt to encroach upon state's jurisdiction. She also declared that she would not allow this brazen attempt by the centre to control the state machinery by proxy, and that her state is not going to cow down in front of expansionist and undemocratic forces.
और डेपुटेशन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मानता नहीं और उनको भेजेगा नहीं भेजेगा हमें ये ऑर्डर मानता नहीं.
According to rules, the Home Ministry is the authority in control of IPS cadre. If an officer selected for a central posting does not report either on his own or at the instance of the state government, he would be debarred for consideration for a post under the Government of India for a period of 5 years. The state can object to the deputation of officers by the centre, but cannot reject it.
If, however, there is a disagreement between the state and the central governments, the opinion of the central government shall, not will, shall prevail, and therefore the opinion and the directions of the central government shall be the last word.
With less than 5 months to go for the battle for Bengal, the centre versus state showdown is only expected to escalate. With Manogya Loiwal and Rahul Srivastav, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.